Harimax channel TN Max class 10 chapter 1 relations and functions important sums 2 marks, 5 marks and 8 marks. Today topic is exercise 1.4 ninth sum. If the function f is defined by f of x equal to x plus 2, the limit x greater than 1. F of x equal to 2, the limit minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. F of x equal to x minus 1, the limit minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Find the values of first subdivision f of 3, second subdivision f of 0, third subdivision f of minus 1.5, fourth subdivision f of 2 plus f of minus 2. This is 5 mark question. Very important 5 mark question. Solution. Given that first subdivision f of 3. See the function x greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 1 above. So function f of x equal to x plus 2. Function f of x equal to x plus 2. Put x equal to 3. F of 3 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Of 3 is 5. Subdivision f of 0. Function f of x equal to the limits minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and 0 1 equal to x. Function f of x equal to 2 implies x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 2. Third subdivision f of minus 1.5. It's minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1.5 minus 2.5 3 minus 2.5 minus 2 minus 1.5 minus 1. The limits minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Function f of x equal to x minus 1. F of x equal to x minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1.5 implies f of minus 1.5 equal to minus 1.5 minus 1 equal to minus 2.5. Yes. See the question, fourth subdivision f of 2 plus f of minus 2. First find out f of 2. F of 2, the limit x greater than 1. Above the 1, 2, 3 and so on. So function f of x equal to x plus 2. F of 2 equal to function f of x equal to x plus 2. Put x equal to 2. So f of 2 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. F of 2 value is 4. Find f of minus 2. F of minus 2, the limits minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. The limits minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. F of x equal to x minus 1. Put equal to minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. So that question equal to f of 2 value 4 plus f of minus 2 value minus 3 equal to 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Plus minus minus. The final answer is 1. Ninth sum, final answer. 10th question, a function f ratio minus 5, 9 goes to r is defined as follows. F of x equal to 6x plus 1, the limit minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Function f of x equal to 5x square minus 1, the limit 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. Function f of x equal to 3x minus 4. The limit 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Find first subdivision f of minus 3 plus f of 2. Second subdivision f of 7 minus f of 1. Third subdivision 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. Fourth subdivision 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 whole divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. This is 5 mark question. Important 5 mark question. Solution. That function f ratio minus 5 to 9 goes to R. First subdivision, f of minus 3 plus f of 2. F of minus 3. F of minus 3, the limits, first one, the limits minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Taking first limit, function f of x equal to 6x plus 1. F of minus 3 equal to, function is 6x plus 1. Put x equal to minus 3 implies 6 into minus 3 plus 1 equal to 6 into minus 3 minus 18 plus 1 equal to minus 17. F of minus 3 equal to minus 17. F of 2 equal to, see the question, the limits taking second limit, taking 2, 3, 4, 5 less than 6, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Function f of x 5x square minus 1. F of 2 equal to 5x square minus 1. Put x equal to 2 implies 5 into x replace 2. So 2 square minus 1 equal to 5 into square. 5 into 4 minus 1. To 4, 20. 20 minus 1 equal to 19. F of 2 equal to 19. See the question, f of minus 3 plus f of 2 equal to f of minus 3 minus 17 plus f of 2 value 19. Minus 17 plus 19 equal to 2. Answer is 2. See the question, subdivision f of 7 minus f of 1. Right? Find f of 7. Find f of 7. F of 7 equal to, see the question, f of 7, the third limits 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. The limits 6, 7, 8, 9. Function f of x equal to 3x minus 4. F of 7 function 3x minus 4. Put x equal to 7 implies 3 into 7 minus 4 equal to 3 into 7 21 minus 4 equal to 17. F of 7 equal to 17. Find f of 1. F of 1, the limit is minus 5. Question, f of 1, the limits, see the first limit minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So f of 1, the function f of x equal to 6x plus 1. F of 1 equal to, function f of x equal to 6x plus 1. Put x equal to 1. 6 into x value 1. So 6 into 1 plus 1 equal to 6 into 1 6 plus 1 equal to 7. F of 1 equal to 7. See the question. F of 7 minus f of 1 equal to 17 minus 7 equal to 10. See the question. Third subdivision. 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. F of 4. See the question. Second limit. Taking second limit. 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So f of 4 equal to, function f of x equal to 5x square minus 1. To 5x square minus 1. Put x equal to 4. Implies 5 into x replace 4. 4 square minus 1 implies 5 into 4 square 16 minus 1. 5 into 16 80. 80 minus 1 equal to 79. F of 4 equal to 79. 2 into f of 4. F of 4 equal to 2 into 79 equal to 158. And find f of 8. F of 8 equal to, see the question, the limits, third limit, 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. So taking the limit, f of 8 equal to function f of x equal to 3x minus 4. F of 8 equal to function 3x minus 4. Put x equal to 8 implies 3 into 8 minus 4. 3 into 8, 24 minus 4 equal to 20. See the question. 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. 158 plus f of 8 value is 20 equal to 178. This is the third subdivision answer. See that question. Fourth subdivision. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6. First find out f of minus 2. F of minus 2, taking first limit, the function f of x equal to 6x plus 1. Fourth subdivision, question. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 whole divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. F of minus 2, the function is 6x plus 1. F of minus 2 function is 6x plus 1. Put x equal to minus 2. Implies 6 into minus 2 plus 1. Implies 6 into minus 2 minus 12 plus 1 equal to minus 11. F of minus 2 equal to minus 11. Find 2 into f of minus 2. So 2 into f of minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 11 equal to minus 22. So see f of 6, the limit x 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Function f of x equal to 3 minus 4. Put x equal to 6 implies 3 into 6 minus 4. 3 into 6, 18. 18 minus 4 equal to 14. F of 6 equal to 14. Fine. Next to find out. See the third subdivision. F of 4 value is 79. Minus 2. Fourth subdivision. F of minus 2 value is minus 11. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. Equal to minus 22 minus 14 minus 36 whole divided by 79 minus 11 68 minus 36 by 68. Cancel the values, divided by 4. 9 4s are 36, 17 4s are 68. This is the final answer. Thank you. Hari Max channel subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thank you.